What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good morning and welcome to your daily Bitcoin update. I wasn't there yesterday, but yesterday was also a pretty quiet day on the markets, right? But today, beginning of the week, first week of October, I am back. So basically, if you're new to this channel, first of all, welcome. But second of all, what I usually do in these videos is I go over some of the news around Bitcoin in this case. And we check out the price, so what's going on with the price and what's most likely to happen next. So not really a lot of news in the crypto market, not a lot of news for Bitcoin. I mean, it's not being that much developed, not a lot of updates. Apart from that, I mean, there are some bullish cryptos, but apart from that, we are very stable. You can also see that if we kind of drag this away, you can see that we're a little bit bearish, maybe, but overall pretty stable. Also over the last week, I think. Well, I mean, you have some outliers, as you can see. You have some big moves up and some big moves down, but that's it. So yeah, my opinion on Bitcoin has always been, at least for ever since we dropped down to 18,500, has been that I expect October to be relatively bullish, actually. So that's also reflected in this analysis, but then obviously, I mean, some people already know, everybody who will watch these videos all the time knows that I thought that there's a possibility that before going up, that we would have one more significant drop down to 18,500, maybe even 18,000. I don't think we're dropping down to 17,600. It's possible, but I don't think so. So yeah, so this hasn't really changed. I still think that somewhere, and I know that might be a risky thing to say, but I think somewhere in this week we're actually going to get quite a nice bullish move. What I'm expecting is that we'll just stay in this consolidation. There's now quite a lot of bearish momentum weighing us down. So as I said earlier too, we might get that drop down to 18,500, but I think that level is strong enough to maybe not immediately, but very quickly bring us above, up towards 20,000, and then the main level we need to break is kind of between 19,900 and 20,000, and I think we can break above that and get up to 20,700. And from there, I'll have to like see what we can do, see if we can actually break through, or if it's more likely that we'll stay above 20,000, but not above 20,900. So that's going to be interesting. But I'm still expecting this maybe end of the week, so in the next 4 or 5 days, maybe in the weekend. But I am expecting this in the upcoming week. So yeah, it's going to be exciting, I think. It's also going to be a little bit nerve-wracking for me to kind of see if I'm right, because obviously I'd like to be for all of you, because I've been saying this for the last week. So we'll see. Yeah, I mean, as I said, short term it's not looking great, but that wasn't necessarily expected too. We already reached into the 20,000s twice. As you can see, we got rejected twice, and it's also a lower high, but still, that also means that we have relieved some of the selling pressure from those levels, I think at least. And apart from that, I mean, you can clearly see if you would really want to, you can also kind of draw a triangle right here, where you can see that we also have some more bullish momentum coming up here, and then some bearish momentum coming down. So it's just going to be, altogether, it's going to be interesting to see what's going to happen. Volume has gone up a little bit more as well. Volume was relatively low. It's up to 25 billion almost again, so that's good. We can definitely get a breakout with that. But yeah, so far that's my analysis on Bitcoin. So I will be back with another update and analysis tomorrow. But for now, I'd like to thank you all for watching and listening, and I want to wish you all a great Monday. Bye.